Hi viewers, welcome to option trading ki dunia. So today let me present you with the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So I start with the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank had opened above the central pivot range, and now you can observe in the chart that it is slowly coming below the central pivot chart. So it is here. So central pivot is around 37,890. So 37,900. So it is trading below. So as long as it is in the central CPR range. So CPR range is 37,995. On the lower side it is 37,790. So as long as it is trading within the CPR range, it is not advisable to take any trades. So now let me tell you what is the resistance level. On the upper side, the resistance level is at 38,207, and the bottom central pivot is at 37,790. So if Bank Nifty falls below 37,790, you can place a short trade for the target of 37,400. So there can be a big fall if it breaks. So this is the fall. So this is the support. So support is around 37,377. So there can be a big fall expected in Bank Nifty if it breaks the central pivot range. Now it is trading within the central pivot range. It is below the central pivot, that is 37,898. So the Bank Nifty range is, today's high was around 38,207. As long as it does not break the central pivot range, and within the central pivot range, please do not trade. So there is a chance that it can trade either way, that is, it can go up to the top of today, that is 38,207, and it can fall as low as 37,400, being a budget day today. The trading range is very big. So let me come to the Nifty chart. So Nifty chart, let us concentrate. Yeah, you can see uh, the Nifty is trading convincingly above the central pivot range, and it opened at the first resistance, that is 17,300, around 17,300 levels. So now it is convincingly trading above 17,307. The first resistance is 17,296. If it trades below, there is a chance that it can fall to uh, 17,225. Yeah, if it breaks 17,296, and the central pivot range is at 17,186, and if there is a trending move upwards, it can go as high as 17,481. So trading range will be the pivot is 17,200 to 17,481, and if it breaks the central pivot range, that is on the bottom central pivot range, that is 17,146. So 17,146, there can be a very big down move, but today it may trade within a range of 17,146 to 17,481. So trade with caution, because tomorrow is going to be a budget day. In the afternoon session, there can be very volatile moves. So trade with caution, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thank you for watching this option trading ki dunia. So I'll give the level